Hello everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial for my challenge. And today we will be doing something with leaves. Leaves? Leaves. I had done this clip art of something that I could possibly do, but I had washed these and set them out to dry, so now they're a bit stiff. And I don't know, I'm scared of breaking them. Like, I'm still gonna try and use them, but yeah, that's a possibility. I don't know how I'm gonna put them on my face because I had thought of like doing this motion picture with leaves where I throw them up in the air and, but the leaves haven't fully fallen and I don't want to just get green leaves to do it. Like, no. Maybe I'll do that photo shoot for when there's actually more leaves on the ground, but for right now, I just got those off the trees. So for makeup, I am just going to do what I usually do, my powdered foundation. I am going to glue my eyebrows so they won't move. And mascara. I am going to use this palette. It's the Y2K Baby by Nico Yanin. And I think I'm going to use this teal color and maybe this green, but very lightly. Like I'm just going to do one swipe across my eyelid just to get some color there. And probably just a teal one because I don't want it to be too dramatic. And then for my lips, I'm probably just going to get like a brown color. I don't know where it is at the moment, but I'll show you when I use it. And yeah, let's get started because I do want to catch some sunlight. I changed my mind. I'm going to use this gold pressed powder because I'm already going to have green with the leaves and I still don't know if I'm going to want to change the hue of it to like a orangey yellow so it can look like fall. And if I put green on my eyelid, it's just, I don't think it's going to look too good. So I'm just going to use this gold one. Did I swatch it? I swatched it. Yeah. It's very creamy. I like it. But I'm just going to use this fluffy brush just so I won't pack in too much, just a little shimmer. I'm going to bring it down to my cheekbones as well because it looks pretty as a highlight as well. And I want to have that color there. I'm going to use this random mascara. Is it Thalia? That's the brand. It's not like, oh my god, but it's easy to take off, so that's why I like it. And I'm going to shower after this, so. If you get like little specks like this that fell onto your face, don't immediately wipe it because then you'll smear it. Let it dry and then later just scrape it off. These are the type of leaves I have. So this is like from the same tree, but actually no. There's these smaller ones. There's these smaller ones that I want to put near my eyelid. It's those and well then there's these bigger ones and then I have these long ones and I didn't want to break this one up because I thought of like maybe putting it around here, maybe like that. I have 3 of those and then I got these from the pine tree. So I don't know, I'm still thinking on how to set it on my face, but I think the point of this is just to have fun with it because if I think about it too much, it's just I'm gonna overthink things and I'm never gonna finish. I actually liked the placement of this that I just did. So I don't know if I should put it there or maybe it going inwards like this. Cause isn't that like oh, frick. I think I will put it like this. If it keeps falling off, I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna go with it's because I don't know, it feels like it's gonna be like sideburns. Maybe here. Oh, then that's pretty good that those fell off because I could put it here. So I'm gonna use my very old Kiss glue. Like it's so old. See? And then I'm gonna put it onto the little leaf. Okay, I was gonna put it on this side, but it would be upside down. Like I want this shiny part to be on top. So I'm gonna put it here. Like I said, I'm gonna get the lash glue and put it along the stem and on the leaves as well. Very delicately because I'm scared that it's gonna like fall off. I just want enough for it to stick there. I want some of it to stick. I'll go back later and put more glue and just put it down more, but that's the gist of it. So I'm gonna be doing that. I think I'm gonna get these long ones and put it right here so it can look like a little eyeliner. I was gonna put it here under, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it here. So that way it could look a little more 3D and it could be outwards. Okay, that's what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna get this one and I'm trying to see if I have a few smaller ones because I do want to do the center. I think these two. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna put it here so I can get some smaller ones and put it here on this on the corners. I don't even know if that's centered. I already put it. Okay, now I'm gonna get the smaller ones. that looks like that looks like something else, but it's fine. I think that's as much as I can add to it because I'm looking at my other leaves and I don't know where I could put them. I mean, I have this one, but I don't know, everything else just seems awkward because they're a little big now. So, oh, I should have put this here. I think I'll put it in my hair. Um, I said I was gonna do brown lips, but I want to try out something first. So with the remaining petals, I thought that maybe I could put it on my lips to, you know, make it look like I have leaf lips. But I don't want to put eyelash glue on my lips. So I'm going to use Vaseline and just see if it's going to stay on. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to take it off and put the brown lipstick. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I took it off because it wasn't staying on. It looked cool, so I might use it for some pictures, but I ended up just getting like a brown lip liner. I don't know where it's from. My sister gave it to me. I just ended up putting that, and yeah, I think this is it for this look. I have these. I just bought them, but this was the only shade, and I know this isn't my shade. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see what I can do with this. I was gonna powder them down with my own powdered foundation color. Okay, the difference is a lot. It's still a little lighter, but it's fine. Um, okay. And yeah, this is it. I know it looks wonky, but maybe in the pictures it'll look better. I probably should have changed clothes before I did this, but I think I'm just gonna use the sports bra that I have under this because I don't have anything earthy tone. So yeah, I gotta say, I do like how it looks. I just looked back at some of them and they come out nice. Like, I haven't really paid attention and fully seen them because I've been looking at the sun and I can't really see, but from the glance, it looks okay. I hope you like them and I hope you try it out. Glue some leaves on your face because it's fun. And get some elf ears. These were $2, $1 at Five Below. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. I don't usually record myself taking off the props and makeup, so I think this is the first. Should I take some pictures like that? I don't know if I should. Ugh. Can you see the glue? I can't tell. Ah! Ow! Oh, my hair. Oh, dang. Oh, I need a shower. Whoa, that looks like an infinity stone. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. All right.